This video is for the instructions for the high-speed functions for the IVC PLC. And this is the first type for the high-speed output. And this is, we can see the PLSY. This is for the IVC series PLC, the high-speed output functions, high-speed output instructions. And then we can see this instruction, it can be support for the IVC all series of PLC. And here each one the elements can be used as follow. But in these instructions used in before, we must have know some information about these instructions. From this table, we had before see this. This is the specifications of the PLC, the main modules, and there we can see the high-speed plus output from the each one PLC is different. For example, the IVC1 PLC just have the 2 channels for the high-speed output, and the IVC2H have the 4 channels or the 6 channels high-speed output, and IVC2L have 2 channels and the other both. So why I will ask the user to know about this function, because from the PLC for the high-speed output we just can be used the Y0 and the Y1s, but the IVC2H can be used to each one terminal from the Y0 to the Y16. And then in the later of the instructions, we can see that this is the addresses for the special, the M elements is for the PLC, the high-speed output for the special controls. And this is the instructions of what the elements working for. User is be easy to can check all the information from there to control the high-speed output. And I have to be told them before for the high-speed output for the PLC, and this is some the special D elements for the mother, the speech, and the plus the numbers, and he can be used the range in each the terminal will be records from that. For example, the SD15 it just can be used for the IVC1L, 2L, and the IVC2H. And then so we can see there, this is the high speed, the arguments output for the Y1 and Y0 total plus number. It just can be used to the IVC2L, but and the D116 to the 161, he can both to be used the IVC1L and the IVC2H. But and before I had to say the IVC2H is the high-speed PLC, so he can be used too much more the high-speed output high-speed output terminals. We can see that he can be used the Y3, Y4, Y6. He can be to mark down the high-speed, the speed, and the number. And the next, the high-speed, the function is a PLSR. PLSR is a counting the plus with the acceleration or deceleration output instructions, and this is instruction can be used all the IVC series PLC, and he can use the element we can see is from the D and the SD, because this is a work control. He is not be used for the M elements. And then so we can see this is a picture to show the why we call it this is the acceleration and decelerations, because of this instruction is can control the speed of the pulse. We can make the acceleration time and deceleration time to make the speed is a bit slow to be faster to be and under this training. And as the same with the PL as wise, he have to show all the information and the special D element and the special the M elements and what the information with them. User can be checked from this table. In the programmer interface, VNC in county will use the IVC1 PLC. So when we to start use the PLSY functions, the instruction type is like this, PLSY. And this is for, and the first one is for the speech. And this is for the all the plus number. To take to 0 is the infinity number of the plus. And use the channel Y0. This is finished. Because IVC1 PLC, the high-speed output just can use the Y0 and Y1. So if we change to the Y2 or the others, this will be show error. But when we have the select different PLC, IVC2H, in the instructions, VNC, we can be changed to the Y3, Y5, Y7. Because IVC2H PLC is a high-speed PLC, in the software we will know which the high-speed terminal it can be used.